love to hang out in kitchens where they can easily find a snack. Check out 5 tips to help keep ants out of your kitchen. 1. Seal entry points. Ants enter homes through cracks and gaps. Sealing holes, repairing loose siding or bricks, and fixing damaged screens can help keep them away. 2. Remove food sources. If ants are in your kitchen, they're probably looking for food. Clean up crumbs and spills. Store your food and your pet's food in sealed containers. Don't leave dirty dishes in the sink. 3. Minimize moisture. Ants may stick around if they can find water. Repair leaks, ensure your drains work properly, and keep the area around your sink dry. If you have pets, wipe up any spills from their bowl. 4. Keep your yard clean. If ants are in your yard, it won't be long before they head inside. Trim vegetation so it isn't touching your home. Remove yard debris that can act as shelter. Check for ant nests and carefully treat them with a plant-based insecticide dust. 5. Use an ant bait. If ants invade, baits are a great solution. Our no-spill ant kill and ant killer bait are designed to allow ants to eat the bait and return to the nest. Other ants feed on the bait, helping to eliminate the colony. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website at maggiesfarmproducts.com.